Here's how to check your Instagram password. Now, you can see I'm on my iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android as well. The first thing we're going to do in the Instagram app, as long as you're logged in, but I'll also show you steps if you're not already logged in to be able to definitely find it. So first, just tap on your profile here at the bottom right, and then tap on those three lines at the very top right. After you've done that, choose Accounts Center at the top, and then tap on Password and Security midway down. From here, tap on Saved Login. If you wanted to, you can just choose to change the password, but it does require that you know the old one. So instead, we're going to tap on Saved Login, and then, of course, for Instagram. And make sure this is turned on. It says, we'll remember the login info for Trevor Nace, aka my Instagram account, and you won't need to enter it in. So make sure to toggle that on. And after you've done that, hop out of here and take your finger and swipe down. And then type in passwords and tap on the Passwords app. From here, you'll need to use your Face ID to authenticate. And all we need to do is tap on search and search for Instagram. And there you can see his Instagram. Just tap on it. You'll be able to see your username or email. And right under it is your password. Just tap on it to reveal what that is. However, if this doesn't work for you, that's not a problem. There is another place we can look. Again, just take your finger and swipe down. And instead, type in Chrome, aka Google Chrome, and open that up. From here, all we need to do is tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And at the top here, swipe over until you get to Password Manager. And now from here, again, you can use your Face ID to unlock this. And we're just going to search again within Google Chrome for Instagram. And there it is, my Instagram username, and I can tap on that little I to reveal what the password is for my username, both in Chrome as well as the Passwords app. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.